This is about what your interface will look like when you start your project. We won't be using every single aspect of the interface you see here, so I'll just go over the more essential parts. Okay, first, this window off to the left here is where you store all your files that you use in your edit. You need the Sequence 1 file that's already there to organize everything. Go and right-click in the blank space, then click on Import. As you can see, I'm in the Half-Life 2 Episode 1 directory again. Now I'm just going to be importing video clips, but you can also import audio files and even still images to be used in your edit as well. You may notice I only have 4 files here now. These are the clips that have already been processed in VirtualDub, so they're already in Huffy UV or uncompressed format and already have the frame rate corrected. I did this to avoid confusion, plus you generally don't want to import Xvid clips in here because they only record keyframes like I mentioned earlier. Anyway, go and select all these clips, then press Open. Now that they're imported, let me drag this window over so you can see more information about them. I'm recording this at 1024 by 768, so this is going to look a little cramped, but that's alright. Okay, notice how it gives you some more information about the clips here, like what kind of file they are, and the frame rate. Notice how these all say 30 frames per second. It's a good idea to double check this, because if you forgot to correct your frame rate, it might say 30.3 frames per second. Now say you did forget to correct your frame rate, that's not a problem. Go and right click on one of the clips and click Interpret Footage. And notice how it has the option of Assume this frame rate? All you have to do is type in the frame rate that it should be here and you're all set. So if you're using Adobe Premiere, you can actually skip one of the steps in VirtualDub. Okay, I'm going to close this. And here's another thing to point out. Notice on your media type it says movie for some and video for others, and off to the left here the icons are different. Well, all this is an indicator of whether your video clip has sound included or not. Remember earlier how I got rid of the audio on one of the clips I was processing? Well, that's what this is reflecting right here. And if we scroll to the right, we can see some more information about the clip. The playtime lengths of each one, the resolution, the audio format, and that's about it. I'll move this pane back now.